Coin Engineer. Today I'm gonna show you new cryptocurrency centralized exchange, and right now today, especially nowadays, we are creating new playlists, especially to you, especially to some newcomers to cryptocurrency market, and I wanna just make their brain to more analyzer about cryptocurrency centralized exchange. That's why I wanna especially prefer to make a playlist about whole central exchange and some other beginner tutorials about the whole cryptocurrency market. That's why, yes, our next centralized cryptocurrency exchange is Primexbt, and right now, as you can see our screen, yes. First of all, what should we do? Sure, register. First of all, yeah, right now, welcome get $500. Probably you will need to deposit and some make a trade and trading volume for 24 hours, and doesn't matter. And then you can just email password put and then click sign up. But most easiest way we can be Apple or Google. And then yes, we can change our country, for example. And then, yes, it's also easy. It's also easy to register into the Primexbt Central Exchange, but yeah, sure, this can be the most featured because we have a lot more things into the Primexbt. And then, first of all, just maybe welcome to Crypto Features. Deposit to real account, practice on demo account. For this video, we just need to first of all demo account, and then we can deposit to real account. And yeah, they can be one of the best features because first of all, especially if you are newcomer, if you just use real account to deposit, you can maybe lose a lot of your own funds because that's cryptocurrency market that's containing a lot of risks. And then click let's go, and next your account summary. You can see your own accounts. So for example, free manager 1000 equity, 1000 USD account, the blah blah blah, and then you can add your wallet into the tier and then click next. What is the other? Yeah, you are seeing Bitcoin USD parity into the year, and this sign is helping to you to change some other cryptocurrencies, and you can see price and some percentage about the price changing, and fee 0.01% or 0.02% taker. If you are taker, I mean, what that mean? If you are using market order, you will pay more commission. Actually, it's not so more, just 2 times. And then if you are just using limit price, I mean just put amount, I will show you what is the difference between limit and market. Actually, I will drop at the right corner order types, Binance order types, and in general order types. You will learn what is the spot, what is the feature, what is the limit and market orders, etc. I don't want to take this so long. And then 0.01% will be commission rate for maker, and then 0.02% will be commission for taker. That's so clear. And financing long short, that's just funding fee. Next financing, that's the remaining time to changing and rebalancing between long and short financing ratios, and 24-hour high for Bitcoin and low for Bitcoin. That's the volume for Bitcoin. And then yes, what's the other? Yes, order book. That's the order book. For example, we have a lot of traders in the cryptocurrency market, and they are just ordered. They are just market order, put the limit order, and then you can do, for example, and into this Bitcoin price, you are seeing total BTC amount is that so huge. For example, you can see that, and if you are reading order book, I mean, if you can read order book, it can be so useful for you. In the other hand, you can learn, or maybe you don't need to use that. And then what's the customize your trading terminal? You can customize into the tier, and then that's the graphic area. That's so basic. And then if you are already using trading view, it's not so hard to learn how to use. I mean, it's so familiar for you. Next, open orders, positions, and some others. I will back to the tier, all trading activity at a glance, as they said. And into the deal, you can put market limit and stop orders, and then place your own buy or sell order. What's the next? Deposit to crypto futures account. Skip all. And then yes, I need to back first of all. Positions. For example, if you are thinking, for example, Bitcoin will break down where's the brush? Yes, that's the brush. And then Bitcoin think like this and like this finally, but I don't know when. I mean, I want to take a long position from there. That's why I need to place buy order. Just amount 1001 and we have a free margin as a 1000, and then we can increase margin types. It's so critically, why not? But by the way, I don't want to recommend that you to use a lot of leverage amount. For example, right now you are seeing that's so critical. I mean, every time we can lose our funds, and that's why it's not so good. And then just leverage, click leverage, cross isolated, and then click isolated at the cross. You can't change your leverage because it will cover the whole your margin account, but isolated is not that. And then you can change that 10, yeah, 10, it can be reasonable, and every time it should be your maximum. I think if you especially taking a lot of high risk positions set, and then you are seeing we are isolated and 10x margin type buy order value, place order buy, and we will do it from market from there. And then if you don't want to do this, I mean, if you are thinking it will be happen from there, for example, from there, what's that? 62,116. Yes, just limit and then put that what we said. Yes, 62116. Yes, place buy order, and then you account as set side buy, and then position level is 10x. Yes, that will be our position. And right now still you are nothing to see, nothing to display, as you can see from there, but double position. And hey man, you had already said that if you place buy or sell order, you will see into there. That's a limit order, and our order still waiting for realizing from there, as you can see. And then if I'm not mistaken, and if you are seeing, we have just one order, open order, not sure, sorry, it's not open order, just it's a waiting order or unrealizing order, and place it at this time, but price from there. And then right now price at the there, if price just drop it down from there, and then our limit order automatically will be activated. And what did I say? If you are maker, I mean, if you are using limit order, you will pay less commission than maker, not than taker. Yes, you are seeing that if Bitcoin drop it to this price, because our limit order is localized, is placed into the there, you will see your own position at the there. It will transfer from there to there, from orders to positions. Yes, right, we had already talked about order book and about that. And how can you buy crypto directly from Primexbt? Buy crypto. For example, I have a 200 euro and I want to get directly from a bank account at the Primexbt as a Bitcoin. And one Bitcoin, 61,105 euro. Yeah, not a problem. Order about 2,500 euro. Get personal assistant. For example, if you have a lot of order, you can get your own personal assistant. That's maybe advantage of Primexbt. And then just click continue. Additional information. For example, you can put street address, apartment, state, city, postal code, and then you can click confirm, and then you will need to provide your own banking account information or credit or debit card, I don't know, and then automatically you will verify and pass. After passing whole verification stages, you will be charged as a 200 euro from your card, from your bank card or debit card, I don't know, and then you will get at the Primexbt as a Bitcoin, I don't know how much. Yes, 0.0032 Bitcoin after the charging successfully account. You can get a lot of accounts, but sub accounts, and then that's your own whole wallet, and that's the crypto features. And then into the deal, for example, you are holding USD withdrawal deposit. You can control all your assets, state, and you can deposit into the deal, withdraw into the deal. You can do it. For example, if you want to deposit, click wallet. Deposit to wallet, yes, or just features directly. If you want to deposit features, you can do it. And select payment method. Perfect Money, Binance Pay. Binance Pay is the best fit for that. And select amount 5. 100 USD, maybe, yes. That was without verification. Maximum can be 2000 USDT. I mean, right now we have not still verified. Just I'm gonna open that and I'm gonna show you how can you do this. Deposit just 500 and first name. After saving our first and last name, we will be directly to Binance Pay and payment page, and then you need to pay from there. And then yes, open Binance app, and then just if I'm not mistaken, we have a QR code area entered there, and then just click that, open, and you will be charged from Binance to Primexbt as a 500 USD to your own Primexbt wallet. That's it. Such an easy method. That's so fantastically. And then yes, what should we do into there? I think there is nothing, just except verification. And verification method is so easy because powered some sub. For example, if I'm not mistaken, a lot of central exchange verification procedure powered by some sub, and user interface is same. The procedure is same, and just continue on this watch and continue on phone. If you are click continue on phone, you will see QR code to scan, and then you will scan the QR code, continue on your phone, and just take your documents and provide their pictures, and then just selfie. That's it. And after that, probably, if I'm not mistaken, maximum of 50 or 20 minutes, you will be get passed as a QAC verification. And then yes, right now we can take a look crypto features. You know, that's the best things into the Primexbt. Yeah, actually we had already tested, and we had already buy crypto and then exchange. Yes, why not? We can test it. Select, for example, I have a Bitcoin, I wanna get USDT, that is the best fit for me, and then just put how much Bitcoin you have and how many USDT you will get, and then click exchange. That's it. And then analysis, promo codes, rewards, report program, affiliate program, MetaTrader 5. And yes, I think you need to check them for yourself, and there is no need to take a long video. And that's why yes, I need to make an end of this video into the deal, and I just wanna hear from you at the comments if you have already learned something from this video, and if you especially are a newcomer and get to know about the new central exchange and their working mechanism at the background. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like video, and find and follow our whole social medias, because we will be active, and even we are active at the same time parallelly with Europe. And see you on the next bullish time.